wonder where we store all of our seasonal holiday decor? Well, we use storage, and this week we're using Piece of Cake to help us move to a storage unit that's closer to our apartments.
Moving with Piece of Cake really is a piece of cake. We're just sitting here taking some selfies while the guys do all the hard work. Now, is there anything easier than that?
I don't think so.
The Piece of Cake team emptied all of these racks and bookcases, and watch how fast they move everything into the new storage unit. We didn't lift a finger, we just saw them pack everything into the hot pink moving truck. Here's our brand new storage unit. Now let's fill it up with all of our seasonal and party decorations.
We've got some balloon weights.
So we're about halfway done reorganizing the storage unit. Piece of Cake was such a big help. We still have a few more boxes to unpack, and then we gotta find homes for all of our tablecloths, napkins, tableware, backdrops, flowers. There's so much stuff in here, but seriously, with Piece of Cake, they made this entire move so easy.